What are you doing? Hmm? What's up? What's up? What's up? This is why I can't have nice stuff right here. We're talking about black seed oil and also the health benefits. Your boy Zeke from Zeke Speak. Black seed oil does help besides just sexual performance. If you are, a 3 inches, if you 5 inches, if you 7, you're going to definitely stay 7, 3, or 5. Just want to let y'all point it out there. There's no reason to be fake. Let's be 100% clear and real. It does not help grow your penis. What it really does is help the blood vessels open up. You can get more blood flow, increasing the hardness of your manhood. So that's what it really does. Also, it does have other health benefits just besides the, but we ain't gonna get into, some of those little things. That's for you and your boo to figure out later on. Also, taking it once a week is actually very helpful. I take it once a day myself. I'm over 30. When you hit 30, we realize knees bend and creak. Also, we understand that, author be trying to ride is starting to a little bit and everything, but just because that's happening does not mean we don't need to take care of ourselves. So take different vitamins, take different things that's going to help you, and that video will be up there. So make sure you're taking care of, one, your sexual health, your meaning working out, making sure you're dieting, making sure you're staying in shape, because all these different health benefits that we're going to be stating today is something you're going to have to do consistently. Not on occasion, not every once in a while, or just because you feel like you want to do it. No, you have to do these on a consistent basis to actually reap the effects and reap the benefits that you're going to see. Just like dealing with high blood pressure. Black seed oil has been known to help with high blood pressure and seeing evidence within a month. However, only thing you have to do is take it twice a month and you can see the differences on your blood pressure. Now, just because you're taking it twice a month does not mean your diet does not have to be fixed either. So always talk to your nutritionist. I'm not a nutritionist, so I can't tell you what to eat, how to eat it, or what's best for your body. Everybody's body is different. It also helps reduce health issues when it comes to high cholesterol. It's also going to help you with your performance. When you have other health issues in general, it's going to diminish your sexual performance. Are we clear? Okay, let's get into the really nitty details, shall we? I would like to state again that it does not help increase your manhood's size. I would like to say again, it does not increase the manhood size. What it will do is increase the blood flow that goes through. Pause. I am not about to go this deep with y'all. Not today. It's going to make it very firm. It's going to help you. Taking it daily is going to help you consistently. Once you get 30, some people have issues, some don't. However, if you are having issues, maca root is a really good one as well to take. There'll be a link. I am an affiliate. I do make actual commission for how much you guys purchase. So those affiliate links for black seed oil, maca root, all those different things will definitely be down in a link below. Because I believe in helping everybody get to where they need to be. If that's sexual, let's get you there. February 14th, coming right up. So I would definitely get those products, because when you hit over 30, you don't need no help. I don't need no help. But however, that extra little push, that little boost, when you want to go ahead and go the extra rounds, it'll definitely get you there. I guarantee 3-4 rounds, you might just be able to go even more. I don't know. I'm just saying, you might just want to go ahead and just click those links below. So remember, just because you're having issues with let's just be honest, the older you get, the more issues you're going to have. But you need to protect yourself. You need to actually protect your body with giving it what it needs. So if you do need different vitamins that you know you're not getting, get them. Your health is very important. It's nothing to play with. You need to always grind and make sure your health is 100%. Because guess what? You can make money again. Your health, you may not be able to replace your health once you lose it. Yes, there's always remedies, natural remedies that can actually help you a lot. But guess what? Once your health's gone, it's no guarantee that you'll get it back. So take care of your body, take care of your mind as well too. Take care of you, most importantly. Yes, it's fun and games, you know, hey, it's true. Black seed oil, or it's also called black cumin, will help you. Yeah, just a little 1%, but it'll help you out. And guess what? You gotta take the initiative to take care of yourself. And I love you guys. So I just want to see the best for you. That's the first and most important thing. And also for those that are having other health issues, let's go over what the couple things that you may not find, that you may not know on black seed. Black seed actually helps you with high cholesterol, and also it helps you with something that is needed. Just only taking it twice a month. I mean, for me, when I use black seed, the grounded, I replace it with, I take this and I replace my black pepper, and I use this. It has a very strong smell, which is really, really good to me. I don't know about everybody else, but for me, I like using this instead of using pepper. I use this. This is a really good supplement for black pepper. If you don't like black pepper, I tell you this, put this in smoothies. You can do all that those different things. You can also add different types of oil to it. So you can get the actual black seed, or you can get the grounded right here. And the links are going to be below, but that you literally can go ahead and just put a oil to it, like coconut oil, and let it sit in there and actually gain the properties of the actual black seed, and put that as a topical oil, which is really good for acne, which is really good for helping you when it comes to dry skin, because a lot of us have dry skin up north. So I actually use it for my dry skin. So trust me, it works. I'm not going to tell you anything that don't work, because why do that? Nobody respects a liar. There's also different resources that you can use when you want to look up a couple things. I'll give you some of the information that I was able to find out. This doesn't just go for the men. Women actually have it's actually really good for women to take too. So that's the dope thing. It actually helps out a lot. But that will be another subject at another time. I love you guys. You have a phenomenal day. Yo, enjoy your black seed oil, or your grounded or actual seeds, because guess what? It's just going to help you out and benefit your overall health. It's going to help you with your overall health, and it's also going to help you be able to get, your stamina up. It actually helps with stamina. It also is good for after workout or pre-workout. And I'm telling you this now, I take it every single day. When I wake up in the morning, before I have anything in my system, I take this daily. If I don't take that, I will definitely take this. I love my black seed oil, and I love you guys. Peace.